family, Ms. Alana here. I wanted to show you how to make a Flipgrid for your science experiment. I know you guys have been working so hard to build and create these science experiments, and I want you guys to be able to share them not only with your teachers, but also with your classmates. So what I want you guys to do is make a Flipgrid showing off your experiment. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. On this link, it's going to take you to the Flipgrid website. And all you're going to need to remember is the password Lilburn1. So go ahead and click on that link. It'll take you to the Flipgrid website where you're going to write the password. Now, I'm going to click on this eyeball so it'll show me the password as I type it. All right, and then let's go. Now that I'm in this site, I see that it says hello, it says hola, all these different languages. You're going to go to the bottom where you see this big plus sign, and you're going to click on that. Now, you're going to have to be logged in to your Google account. If you don't know how to do that, I know Ms. Peters made a direction slide where it has how to log into Google as well. So make sure you log in there. Then you should be able to see your cute little face, and you should be able to record your voice as well. Oh, sorry, my cat got in the way. So what you're going to have to do is click record. Make sure you have your project nearby so that way we can all see it. You're going to have 1 minute and 30 seconds, as it says up here, to make your recording. Now, when you make your recording, it'll be helpful if you have this or something like it near you, where you have your hypothesis, your plan, and what you learned, or your conclusion. So make sure you have your project paper or your graphic organizer with you. If you didn't print it, you could always write it on a normal piece of paper. Once you click record, it'll start your countdown so you can get ready, and you're able to see right here how much time you have left. You're also able to, redo it if you don't like it the first time, and you have until this little thing goes all the way around back to here. So remember, you only have 1 minute and 30 seconds to make sure that you explain to me your hypothesis, what your plan was, and how it turned out. And then I want to be able to see your creation too. So when you're done, you click pause, and then you click next. And it'll actually play it back for you automatically. Now, I don't want it to play back for y'all because it'll overspeak. So I want to be able to just click next. I think it's good. So I'm going to take a selfie now. So that way, whatever picture shows, it'll show this picture on the front. So I'll know that it's you. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Let me get this button out of the way. Good. That looks fine. So now you're going to click next, or you could have redone your selfie. And then right here, it'll have your display name. It only has to be your name. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. First and last name. And then you submit the video. And that's all that you have to do. Then once you're done, it'll pop up here. You might need to refresh in order to see it, but it'll pop up here. Lilburn1. You guys can see that I typed Lilburn1. And there it is. I can click on it and I can watch it. Or if I want it, I could reply to somebody else's, and I can make sure that they have a comment that, or I can speak and I can say, hey, I really liked your video. I think you did a great job making that experiment. I think it looks awesome. Something positive and encouraging that you could say. And if you don't want to do it anymore, you can return and go back to what you were doing before. So, or we're not uploading any videos. So that's all that there is for Flipgrid. I hope you guys are able to do it okay, and I hope that this made sense.